Hi, it's Brad here from T.CON again, and today we're going to look at a very important aspect of MES CAT, and that specifically is what we call the posting monitor. So, MES CAT is an integrated SAP MES solution. So it's integrated within the SAP environment. So one important aspect that you have is when you're doing all this data entry and you want to make it as simple as possible for the users so that they are just booking production, but all those codes and all those modules in the background in SAP, which are extremely valuable to know what's going on. So for example, booking materials back to MM or booking to CO certain costs and booking back time codes and quality codes to QM. That all happens in the background via our posting monitor. So we're going to take a look at an example of that today. So in the system, we have a simple work center. We're going to start production. We're going to record some quantity of material. Let's say there was a little bit of rework and a certain amount of defect. Say it was scuffed on the way to storage, and let's say that there were gas bubbles in the product. So we have a couple errors in there. We can also go through and add some additional information, but for the moment I think we'll just leave it as it is. So we're going to finish the production, so it's gone back to steady, and then I can post it. Now if I go over to our posting monitor, you can see here, if I refresh, these are the different sites that we have built into our demo system. And you can see here is the work center, the RM21, which you can see here. That's the RM21. And you can see certain movements have happened at the exact time that I did the booking. So if I click on that, you'll see it open up a tree. And these are the various different posting steps that is done in the background in the ERP system. So you can kind of dive through and go take a look in more detail what it's done. But that's how our system communicates with the various different modules in the ERP system via the posting monitor. So that's just to give you a kind of a high level how we do that. In the meantime, I'm going to go into more detail about specific functionality of MES CAT in future videos. So please stay tuned. And until then, thank you for your time. Bye.